Hey everybody, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey. Today I'm here with Char-Griller in Kingsford for BBQ 101. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most often overlooked, but also one of the most important parts of grill ownership, grill cleaning. The first thing you want to think about is keeping those grates clean. It has a big impact in the final flavor of your food and the longevity of the grates on your grill. The best thing you can use is a really sturdy grill brush. Make sure you invest in something high quality. You want sturdy bristles, usually something with a scraper attached so you can get off any super stuck on bits. And I really like to brush my dirty grates when they're still a little bit warm from my last cook. That way your grates are clean and ready to go for the next cook, but that residual heat really helps those stuck on bits come off easier. Now you don't want to do it when they're hot, but you also don't want to do it when they're cold. You're kind of looking for that sweet spot when your grill's in the process of cooling down. Once you're done scrubbing your grates clean, you want to protect them in between cooks and prep them so they're more non-stick before your next one. I like to do that with a light coating of oil. You can use any high heat cooking oil, something like grapeseed, avocado oil, canola oil, or vegetable oil. These oils have a high smoke point, which means they're really well suited for the grill and they don't burn as easily as other low temperature cooking oils like coconut oil or olive oil. My favorite personally is avocado oil. The next thing we want to talk about is total grill shutdown. This is where everything is closed off. Your dampers, your vents, any chimneys or smokestacks. There's no more oxygen getting into the grill because, as we know, air feeds fire. If you suffocate your fire, it'll shut down any remaining charcoal briquettes or lump charcoal that you have inside the grill itself. We want to let those cool down completely before we remove them from the grill. My favorite way to do that is use the Easy Dump ash pan on the Char-Griller Smoke and Champ. Pour it into a metal container, cover that as well. Anything you can do to remove oxygen, shut down that cooking process is exactly what you're looking for. Once your ash is completely cooled, then you can properly dispose of it. One of the worst things that you can do is throw away hot ash. Even ashes that are still warm to the touch, while they might not look like they're ignited, can reignite hours after they've been disposed of. So give yourself plenty of time. Make sure things are completely cooled off. And if you want to add an added layer of security, you can lightly spray them down with water to completely extinguish anything that's left over. Then they're safe to dispose of. Please do not throw hot or warm ash in your garbage can. It is a very bad idea. Once your grill is completely cooled off, the ash is completely removed, then it's time to cover it up. Getting a good quality cover onto your smoker or grill will really extend the life of it. It'll prevent moisture or the elements from getting in and affecting the quality of your product. I honestly think keeping your grill clean is one of the most important parts of being a grill owner. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your grill and it'll make your life so much easier. Honestly, future you will thank past you when you go to fire up your smoker and you've got clean grates and an empty ash pan. I know when you're done eating, you just want to relax and not think about it, but if you make it a regular habit, put the time in, you'll become a more regular griller because it's easier. It makes it more fun and you don't have to worry about cleanup before you can even start cooking. Just in the same way you invest in a quality grill, quality charcoal, and quality tools, keeping your grill clean will make your grilling experience that much better. And when your grilling experience is better, you'll want to do it more often. And that's exactly what I want. Get outside, try more recipes, feed the people you love, and become a backyard barbecue hero.